Okay, I got my order from online, and this is from eSalon.com. I'm gonna dye my hair pitch black. I do have a dark dark brown hair, and I want my hair to be really dark. So I got this from the mail here. Your color your way. Where's my instruction? Aurora's instruction. Let's go ahead and check what's in the pink bag. Yeah. Ta-da! This was free. Wow, big bottle of conditioner and shampoo. Great, we have conditioner and shampoo. Now let's open up the color tools. Oh look, we have hair clip, 4 of them. Also we have a basin to mix your color, and it came with tiny time stopper. That's cute. But wait, there's more. Look, we have developer, and look, that's my name, Aurora's Color. Next, wow, I've got a second set. That's amazing. I could color my hair twice. And what we have here, everything you need to color like a total pro. And we have another one here. This is the gloves. But we gotta go open this up. What is this? Oh, looky. Classic shampoo. That's great. It also came with stain remover. And of course, the instruction on how to color your hair. Alright. So we can go ahead and start the procedure tonight, and I will get back with you. There it is. My hair is super pitch black now, and it's shiny. This is from eSalon, guys. I think I was only paying $15 for it, including shipping. And they give me 2 sets of the developer and the color. They'll make the color especially for you. And they send you some instruction, 2 of this, the activator, 2 of this developer and the color, 2 sets, and a big 8 ounce of shampoo and conditioner, and tools, gloves, and the kit. So I think it's all worth it. I can find them on Amazon, so if you can find them at eSalon.com, go ahead and get yours. I think it's worth the money. You see the strands of my hair, it's super black. This is what I want. Alright. Thank you for watching, guys.